Deep Brooks exclusive.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy Giz, and I'm coming back with a quick video. I have something that came in the mail and I wanted to unbox it for you guys. Woo. I received something from lgrose.ru. They reached out to me and they wanted to share with me, y'all, some shoes. So I picked these right here. These are some Chanel shoes, and this is what is stated on the sticker. This is the front of the box, you know, your little Chanel box, and we're gonna do the unboxing right now, y'all. So I'm gonna open it up. All right, so this is the unboxing, and it came with your little cards, a dust bag, and I'm gonna open this for you guys, and it's all neatly packaged. And they just tell you how to get in contact with them. They put this paper in here. They have their WhatsApp, their Instagram. Yeah. Okay. And then we have, and I like that little touch, because sometimes if you get a lot of packages in the mail or different shoes from different vendors, you might forget who sent you what. So that's a real good thing to do. Put this in here to remind you, yeah, this is from that company, you know, and you'll know. So the shoes that I picked out, although the weather is changing, I did like these shoes a lot, and they are the white Chanel shoes. I think my light is a little bit too bright. Is it too bright? Or maybe y'all see it on, but this is the shoe. This is how it looks. The CC's on the side. This is how the back is. The other side, the front of the shoe, it has the CC by the string. It's attached. And on the bottom you also have the CC logo, which I like. And in my opinion, I feel like you can still wear white in some areas. It is still warm. Girl, it is snowing here in Chicago right now. Yes, it is. So I won't be wearing them right now, but I will have them once the, you know, weather gets a little bit better. But yeah, these are some cute shoes, y'all. These are white. These are cute, and I like them. And the tongue, it has like a leather tongue. Has the leather tongue, and I think they are cute. They don't, you know how some white shoes make your feet look big? These don't. I'm going to try them on for you guys so that you can see how they look on. And it just says made in Italy on the tongue. Let's see how the inside it looks. Okay, so this is the inside, and it just says Chanel. And these are some good quality shoes, you guys. They make these just any kind of way. I done seen some shoes, and I'm gonna be real honest with you all. I was sent some shoes that I could not review because they were just made really poorly. So if I bring you a shoe, trust me, I feel that they are in good quality, in my opinion. So I'm gonna try these on for you guys so that you can see. I just have on some jeans and a real light sweater. So let me try them on so that you can see how they look, and I'll tell you a little bit more about lgrose.ru. All right. Okay, so for these shoes, I'm gonna put on these little bitty Adidas socks. They're real thin, and I don't want to wear it like a thick sock with this cute shoe. And these are shoes that you can wear with like some jogging pants. You can wear with your jeans, a cute little jean dress. The list goes on and on. So I wanted to make sure that the shoes were comfortable. Okay, so let's put them on. Back Beauties, so I'm gonna put them on. I have my thin sock on. They fit real nice and comfortable. Yeah, and I can't wear these today, unfortunately, because it's a little nasty out. But these are the shoes. Ooh, they fit comfortable. It's $3.30. Really nice luxury shoe, if that's what you're into. Alright, my love, so these are the shoes. They are so comfortable. They look good on. Alright, my love, so these are the shoes again that I selected, the Chanel's, and I want to tell you a little bit more about it. It's the printed fabric in suede calfskin, and you have, these are the Chanel sneakers. They're the printed fabric in suede calfskin in white. That's the detail, and I'm going to list everything down in the description section of the video so that you can see. They have a WhatsApp, they have TikTok if you're interested in going on there. I'm on their website where they have, I'm on their Instagram website, and they have gym shoes, they have coats. I'm going to show you a list of like all the, hopefully you guys can see that. They have the foams, they have jackets, Jordans. They have a lot of shoes from on their site for you to choose from. I see they have like some cute little essential sweaters. That's kind of hot. And the list goes on and on. They have boots, so check out their website, you guys. They have like Fendi boots, Jordans. If you still want some slides for next year, they have those. They have the Yeezys. The list goes on and on for the website. So again, these shoes right here are comfortable. This is their WhatsApp. I'm not gonna put that up. I'm gonna list everything down in the description section of the video so that you can, you know, see it. And yeah, guys, I like these a lot. They are so girly and so me. They're just like, you know, girly and real cute. Yeah, they're so girly and so me, and I like them a lot. So don't forget to check out their site. I thank them for sending me these here to review for you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, have a blessed one.